Is crude oil going to fill that gap above? We are going to talk about it on this video. So first, congratulations. And if you remember, we talked about in my last video, crude oil heading down to 58 or so. Well, crude oil actually reached 55 before we saw the reversal begin to happen. Now, let me go back into the chart and kind of show you a few things that I've already done for you to make this much, much easier. I'm going to go ahead and bring this up here and boom. So let's first talk about this right here. Okay. This was the buying opportunity that many of our members took today when we saw this price action coming back down towards that 61 to 88.8 Fibonacci level on this 8-hour chart. And then after that, of course, we also did have bearish news that came out with regards to crude oil. And then, of course, the pause of the tariffs is the catapult to why everything skyrocketed towards the end of the trading day. So what you see here in yellow, what I want you to do is to make sure that you pause this video and mark these levels up for you on this 8-hour chart. And then now I'm going to kind of explain what we plan to do for crude oil. Now, again, this is still far away, but keep in mind that there is an open gap up here right around $70 to $71. Of course, check your broker to make sure that that gap still exists. Okay. Secondly is I am only going to be a buyer of crude oil, especially because this is still open and because of the price action that we saw today. Now, we have not yet broken structure. Okay, this level right here is going to be key if we are going to get up here towards this gap. So we probably can expect a little bit of resistance here at around this $64 mark. And so this is why I put this out to our members just about 30 minutes ago, that if there is any type of pullback into this liquidity area back in here, I think this 60 level becomes your next opportunity to buy crude oil, because usually what happens is you get impulse, retracement, and then continuation. And so I'm expecting that impulse, retracement, and then possible continuation long term. Okay, long term. Who knows how long and if that gap is going to close. But you've got a couple of key levels here. Once they breach and close above 64, okay, then we can expect the next level to be hit much, much higher. So again, keep in mind that even though you see a gap up above at 70, right, unless you're in it for the long haul, and again, statistically speaking, these gaps do close, but these can take, as you can see now, it's taken almost a week to get back up here because of all the tariff news. So again, I'm only going to be a buyer of crude oil at this point, especially with that open gap up there. So I'm looking for opportunities for price to come back down to continue adding entries to the position. If you were going to short crude oil, you would do it here at this level, but again, use caution. Okay, I'm only sitting on one side of the chart, not both. So use caution here, because again, with so much happening around the world, news globally, this could just break through that resistance point and never even stop there to give you a shorting opportunity. Okay, so hope you got some value on this video. If you did, smash the like button for me. I would appreciate it. And if you want to join us inside of our trading club each and every day for live analysis on crude oil, natural gas, all the indices and the currencies that are making folks a lot of money as well with less volatility, head over to theprofessortrades.com. Come on in, pick up your subscription for about $1 a day. Come on in, you're going to get massive, massive value. And again, there's a reason why our retention rate is about 94% over the last 15 months. Hope to see you there. If not, I'll see you in the YouTube community. Again, hit that like button and happy trading.